Okay, so friends, I am Dr. Hinawani, and for Olympiad grade 2, today we are going to take division for the math subject. In the last or previous lectures, we had the knowledge about, or we had learned about the position of the digits in any number, and we had seen up to 3 positions like hundredth, tens, and ones or unit position. This was our very first chapter. Then we learn about addition of 2 number, of 3 number, of 4 number, and up to 5 numbers. Then same for the subtraction we learn. Then we learn about multiplication, and we learn that multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition of the same number. And now our topic is division. So what is meant by division? So division is nothing but the reverse o- operation of multiplication, or reverse of multiplication is known as division, or you can say repeated subtraction of the same number is division. Like repeated addition of the same number is multiplication, repeated subtraction of the same number is division. Or see, some group is there, and if we divide that group in a equal groups, or uh, equally we divide the participant in that event or anything, so division by grouping equally is known as division. It is nothing but the grouping of the things or person or anything equally. Okay, so now how we denote the division sign? By one horizontal line and 2 dots is the sign of division. If any number, if any number is divided by 1, then answer is that number only. If the number is divided by itself, then the answer is 1. Okay, and if 0 is divided by any number, then also answer is 0. Now in the division, if suppose I am dividing 12 by 2, okay, so 2 6 are 12. So in the division, this 2 is known as divisor, which is dividing the number. This is known as dividend, which get divided. This is called as quotient, and this 0 is called as remainder. So in the division, up to the remainder becomes 0, or the answer will come 0, we divide that number, or till the remainder is less than the divisor. Okay, the remainder should be less than the divisor. Now divisor is denoted by small d, dividend is denoted by capital D, quotient is denoted by Q, and remainder is denoted by R. Okay, so these only things are to be kept in the mind in the division. Now we'll directly move to the practice exercise. Okay, now see, same thing I told you. The number which get divided is known as dividend. Divisor is the number which is dividing the dividend. Quotient is the answer, and remainder is the left after the division. Okay, and we divide till the remainder becomes 0 or less than the divisor. Now first example in the practice exercise, if there are 880 books of the same size, and these books are arranged in 8 shelves. Now find the number of books in each shelf. Now see, how many number of books are there? 880 books are here. Okay, and we have to arrange them in 8 shelves. Okay, now what we should do? we have this number and we have to group it in 8 groups. Okay. Now what we're going to do here, we just divide 880 with 8. Now first only we consider this number. Okay, very first number. If it is not divided by that divisor, then we consider two numbers. But if the single number is divided by the divisor, we consider only very first number which is near to the divisor. So 8 ones are 8. 8 is subtracted from the 8, it becomes 0. Now this tens place wala 8 will come down. 8 ones are 8 again. Again the remainder is 0 and now this 0 will come down. 8 zeros are 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So your answer is 110. So in each shelf we keep 110 books. Okay. So that they get equally arranged in all the shelves. Now there are two ice creams, and these ice creams should be equally divided among 7 girls. Now 7 girls are there and we have 112 ice creams. So we have to distribute that ice cream equally to all the 7 girls. So what we should do here, we will divide 112 with 7. So now see, 1 cannot be divided by 7. So we consider two numbers. Now 7 ones are 7 because 7 twos are 14. 14 is greater than 11. So we cannot take 7 twos are. So 7 ones are 7. Now 7 is subtracted from the 11. Answer is 4. Now 2 will come down. 7 6 are 42. Now see, we divide that number till the remainder becomes 0 or less than 7. Now this is quotient, means your answer. This is divisor, this is dividend, and this is remainder. Now what is your answer? Answer is 16. So each girl will get 16 such ice creams. Okay. Now a man spent 15,500 on 5 suits. What is the cost of each suit? Now again you have to divide 15,500 with the 5. You cannot divide 1, so you consider first 15 and then you can divide. So this one is for homework. Okay, try it at home. Now 1205 is to be divided among 5 persons. Now see, this much rupees is to be divided in 5 persons equally. How much amount each one get? Again this 1205 means 1205 is divided by 5. Now we'll consider two numbers first. 5 twos are 10. 2 will remain. 0 will come down. 5 fours are 20. 5 will come down and 5 ones are 5. So 241 rupees will be gained by each person. Okay. Now the next example. These are the simple example, only reverse of multiplication is there. Now each bag can hold 18 bananas and 360 bananas are there in a hole. Now how many bags can be filled? Now again what you have to do, 360 should be divided by 18. So almost 20 bags you need. You can do again it at homework. Same for the next is also for the homework. As 3680 sheets of paper is given to you, you want to make 16 bundle. So in each bundle how many papers will come or how many sheets will come? So just divide 3680 with the 16 and you will get your answer. In a division sum, the divisor is 8, quotient is 42, remainder is 5. What is dividend? Now how you will find this? Now see, who is divisor? 8 is the divisor. Now see, if we arrange, 8 is the divisor, 42 is the quotient, dividend we don't know, and remainder is 5. Now you have to first do multiplication of 8 and 42, because division is nothing but the reverse of multiplication. So multiplication is nothing but the reverse of division. So we'll multiply first 42 with 8. So 8 to the 16, 1 will be carry forwarded, 8 for the 32 plus 1 33. Now add this remainder in the 336 what we get after multiplying 42 with the 8, and you will get your answer. 5 plus 6 11, 4 3 41 is your answer. Okay, so this is the method to solve the problem. If will be no remainder, then this only is your answer, 336. But the remainder is 5, so your answer is 341. You have to add that remainder to the product of divisor and the quotient. Okay. Find a number if the number which is when divided by 5 gives 3 as the remainder and 6 as the quotient. Now again divisor we know, quotient we know, remainder we know. So what we will do, we'll first multiply the divisor with the quotient and add the remainder in it to get the dividend. Okay, so what is our divisor? Divisor is 5, quotient is 6 and remainder is 3. 5 6 is 30 plus 3. So 33 is your answer. If you want to cross check it, how you will check? Divide the 33 with 5. 5 6 is 30. 3 will remain. Now 3 is lesser than 5, so we cannot divide it further. Okay, so our remainder is 3, quotient is 6 and divisor is 5. So our answer is correct. We can divide it, but it goes, we have to add decimal point and then we can divide it. This is in 7th 8th standard you have. Okay. Divide 68 by 2. This is the simple one. You can divide at home. This one is for homework. I hope about two problems you understand. If divisor is given, dividend is asked, and quotient and remainder is given. So what we can do to find the dividend? We have to find dividend, and divisor is given. Quotient is also given. Okay, and remainder is also given. So first you multiply quotient and divisor, then you add remainder in it. So you will get the dividend. This is the formula to calculate the dividend of the problem. Okay. Now divide the product of 14 and 12 by 8. Now what you can do here, you have to first find the product of 14 multiplied by 12, and then you have to divide it by 8. So 12 table you all know, because for second standard also you should know up to the 15th ka table. So 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 4 are 48. 8 will remain at the bottom and 4 will be carry forwarded. 12 1 are 12 plus 4, 16. So 168 is the product of 12 and 14. Now we have to divide it by 8. So 8 2s are 16. 8 will come down here. 8 1s are 8. So your answer is 21. Okay. I hope you all understand the division. It is a simple thing. It is the reverse of multiplication. It is the repeated subtraction of the same number, or it is the grouping in a equal parts. Okay. So in the division, there is one dividend which get divided by the divisor. We get the answer known as quotient, and something which is remain after the division is known as remainder, whether it is 0 or any number. and we divide any number up to we get remainder as a 0 or the number less than the divisor. Okay, how you arrange it? Dividend will come here, divisor will be here, your answer quotient you get at the top, and remainder will be at the bottom of the problem. Okay, if in any example, if dividend is asked, so the formula is divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, so I hope you all understand our short topic today. Now we will continue the further in the next class. Solve the problems which are given for the homework so that you can understand the concept betterly. Okay, we'll meet soon. Till then, goodbye.